Diabetes-friendly desserts you'll love. Are you living with diabetes and think you have to say goodbye to delicious desserts? Think again. This video will show you how to enjoy sweet treats safely and satisfyingly. Living with diabetes doesn't mean you have to completely deprive yourself. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can still enjoy desserts. Let's explore some key principles. Choose whole, unprocessed ingredients whenever possible. These provide more nutrients and fiber. This helps regulate blood sugar levels. Opt for fruits like berries, apples, and pears. These are naturally sweet and packed with fiber. Fiber slows down sugar absorption. Fruits are naturally sweet and packed with fiber. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals. This makes them a much better choice than processed sweets. Incorporate nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your desserts. These add texture and nutrients. They also contribute to a feeling of fullness. These add texture and nutrients, making your desserts more satisfying. They also provide healthy fats and protein. This helps balance the sweetness. Avoid refined sugar at all costs. Refined sugar causes rapid spikes in blood sugar. This can be dangerous for people with diabetes. Use natural sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, or monk fruit. These have minimal impact on blood sugar. They are also much lower in calories. These have minimal impact on blood sugar, making them a safer alternative. They allow you to enjoy sweetness without the negative effects. Remember to use them in moderation. Use unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and spices to enhance flavor. These add depth and complexity to your desserts. They also reduce the need for added sugar. Cinnamon enhances flavor without added sugar. It also has potential benefits for blood sugar control. It's a great addition to many diabetes-friendly desserts. Healthy fats slow sugar absorption. This helps prevent blood sugar spikes. They also contribute to a feeling of fullness. Found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, healthy fats are essential. They provide energy and support overall health. They also make desserts more satisfying. Create a more balanced and satisfying treat by incorporating healthy fats. This will help you feel fuller for longer. It will also prevent overeating. Now that you know the key principles, let's explore some recipe ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment and create your own delicious treats. The possibilities are endless. Countless diabetes-friendly recipes are available online and in cookbooks. Take some time to browse and find recipes that appeal to you. You might be surprised at the variety. Check online and in cookbooks for inspiration. Look for recipes that use the principles we discussed earlier. Focus on whole foods, natural sweeteners, and healthy fats. Fruit salads with nuts are a simple and refreshing option. Combine your favorite fruits with a handful of nuts for added crunch and nutrients. This is a quick and easy dessert. Chia pudding with berries is another great choice. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Top with berries for added sweetness and antioxidants. Baked oatmeal with cinnamon and apples is a warm and comforting dessert. It's perfect for a chilly evening. It's also a great way to start your day. Homemade ice cream using frozen bananas and natural sweeteners is a surprisingly delicious treat. Simply blend frozen bananas with a little natural sweetener and your favorite flavorings. It's a healthy and satisfying alternative to traditional ice cream. Even with diabetes-friendly desserts, it's important to practice moderation. Portion control and blood sugar monitoring are key to managing your diabetes. Let's discuss these important considerations. Practice portion control even with healthy ingredients. Just because a dessert is diabetes-friendly doesn't mean you can eat unlimited amounts. Moderation is key. Enjoy desserts in moderation as part of a balanced diet. This will help you manage your blood sugar levels. It will also prevent weight gain. Be mindful of overall carbohydrate intake. Even natural sweeteners contain carbohydrates. It's important to track your carbohydrate intake to manage your blood sugar. Monitor blood sugar before and after eating desserts. This will help you understand how different treats affect your body. It will also help you adjust your portions accordingly. Understand how treats affect your body by carefully monitoring your blood sugar. This will empower you to make informed choices about your diet. It will also help you manage your diabetes effectively. Adjust portions accordingly based on your blood sugar readings. If a particular dessert causes a spike in your blood sugar, reduce the portion size next time. This will help you enjoy desserts without compromising your health. Living with diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up on desserts. By following these principles and practicing moderation, you can enjoy sweet treats safely and satisfyingly. Don't sacrifice your sweet tooth. With a little creativity and planning, you can enjoy delicious and diabetes-friendly desserts. You deserve to indulge in something sweet. Enjoy delicious and diabetes-friendly desserts without guilt. You can satisfy your cravings without compromising your health. Remember to focus on whole foods, natural sweeteners, and healthy fats. Satisfy cravings without compromising health. By making smart choices, you can enjoy desserts as part of a healthy lifestyle. You don't have to feel deprived. Balanced diet and regular exercise are essential for managing diabetes. These habits will help you control your blood sugar levels. They will also improve your overall health. Sweet treats can be part of a healthy lifestyle when enjoyed in moderation. Don't feel like you have to completely eliminate desserts from your diet. Just be mindful of your choices and practice portion control. Ready to start enjoying delicious, diabetes-friendly desserts? Download our free recipe guide with 10 amazing recipes that won't spike your blood sugar. Click the link in the description below to get your copy now and start indulging in guilt-free sweetness today. Don't wait, your sweet tooth will thank you.